Alright, so I weighed the injora. No, it's not. There you go. Brass inner inserts for the tires. It does come vented. Oh my gosh, it does come vented. I weighed them. They came out to 52 grams. Also weighed my Cayman. This is the results. I can't show it to you on the app's on my phone. But in total, 461 grams. 60-40. Actually, right on the money, 60-40. And this is before, obviously, before I put the inserts in. But obviously, I'll have an after. Now, let's get started. It's off. Oh, if you don't have these corner weights, awesome. Bluetooth, hooks up right to your phone. If I can take the tire off. I always go from one side to the other when I'm unscrewing them. That's still in there. Didn't think this was going to take that long. Well, sorry for the wait. Guess I'll only do one tire on the video. Show you the after results. Come on. You can do it. Well, the back came off. The screw does not want to come out. Well, wants to go back in, I guess. Christmas. There. All right. Super love these Swamp Kings. And also you gotta have the flubber stuffers in there. Oh, these are. This is what it came with in the deep dish rims from Injora. This is like paper thin. This is what's going in there. Significant weight difference. I'll weigh these in a second. Goodness. And the ones that it came with aren't even vented. The ones I bought on Amazon from Injura, they are, which is nice. Gosh, these are like, I don't even know, maybe like half a gram or something. Jeez. Thin. Oh, that's gonna be nice. That's definitely a weight increase. All right. I'm putting them on the right way. Just trying to line up those holes. I think that's the right one. Yes, sir. All right. Work the tire around the rim. Make sure it's all. Wanted to have some give, so. Squeeze too much. Oh, sweet. The hole in that, in the brass actually helped. I didn't have to take the screw back out to get it from having a flat side. The other one's set. You don't have one of these rubber mats. I mean, they're amazing. Always losing my screws and the little pins and the axles. Always losing them. Not with this thing, it always catches it. You got a nice little lip on the edge. Little parts area. Little magnet spot over here. If you want to keep it secure. I also like to, Helps you pick up your screws if you got, big fingers or problem picking up the screws. Almost done. Make sure they're all tight. Or secure, not like super over tight. All right. Oh, definitely significant weight over that little thing. Oh yeah. Wasn't able to do that before. Put it on its side, not touching on this side until flubber stuffers. So thank you for watching. I'm going to install the other ones, and I'll do a short video on the test and show you the results over on the on my little notepad. Thank you.